Welcome to Bando's Pit Stop, India's #1 motorcycle accessories and riding gear store. In this video, we are checking out all the updated 2021 accessories for Honda CBR 250R. So, after watching this video, you guys will have a clear understanding on all the upgrades you guys can do on your CBR 250R. Also, before we begin, I want you guys to subscribe to our channel because your support means a lot to us. Now, let us start by checking out visors first. Now, this visor or windscreen is called the Isle of Man for CBR 250R. Compared to the stock visor, this one is more aerodynamic and more sporty. So it enhances the overall sporty look of the motorcycle. To install this, all you have to do is remove the stock visor and replace it with this. Also, this is available in clear and dark versions. Up next, let's check out these cool indicators. These indicators are called flush mount indicators for Honda CBR 250R. These are full LED indicators and it comes in this housing. What's special about this product is that it looks very good on the fairing. Also, these indicators are installed where your normal traditional indicators goes. So, installation is direct and it replaces your stock indicators. Up next is this stylish and sleek side mirrors. This one is called the Veloce Sport CNC mirror because this is a CNC machine mirror and is high quality and premium. Also, this is an imported mirror. These are anti-glare and direct fit. These mirrors are available in multiple colors. Up next, we have these lever guards from Semspeed. This lever guard, like any other lever guards, protect your levers and also make sure your brake doesn't get locked in case of a crash. Also, it gives you that MotoGP sports inspired look. To install this, all you'll have to do is remove your standard bar and weights and install this. Last up in our accessories for Honda CBR 250R is this frame slider. If you ask me, frame sliders are one of the most important accessories you can buy for your motorcycle, especially if your motorcycle is a faired motorcycle. So, this product is very handy for the CBR 250R because it will protect your motorcycle's fairing and other important engine and other components. That's it for this video. These are the top accessories for Honda CBR 250R in 2021. If you want to buy any of these accessories, you can find the link in the description below or you can contact our customer care, the number given below. I'll catch you next week. I'm Sri Govind Mohanan. Take care and ride safe.